Hey, in this video, we making this. Leave a like if you like it or not and subscribe for supporting this channel. And don't forget to turn that bell on. Let's start with the video. First we start with selecting the object. We can also massage the hair nicely with select and mask. Then we will duplicate the layer 2 times. Now we are going to mask the parts in the middle layer in the mask with a black smoke brush. And then we make a smart object out of the bottom layer and stretch the object with liquify. Now we make a mask from that bottom layer and with Ctrl+I we mask the whole layer black so that we can mask the parts back with a white brush. We can now also do some color processing by means of a gradient or a solid color. And how is it? Is it a like worth? Leave a like if you like it or not and subscribe for supporting this channel. And don't forget to turn that bell on. Bye.